The massage ball lats exercise helps release muscle tension, improve mobility, and enhance range of motion in the upper back and shoulders. You can do this lying on the floor or leaning against a wall. When performed on the floor, the body weight creates more intense pressure, making it suitable for deeper tissue release. Using the wall provides lighter pressure and greater control, allowing for more precise adjustments, making it easier for beginners or those with sensitive areas to manage discomfort. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie on your side on the floor with your knees slightly bent for stability, or lean against a wall for a gentler approach. Position the ball under your lat muscle, which is located on the side of your upper back just below the armpit area. Start closer to the armpit and work your way down. Gently press your side down on the massage ball using your legs and core to control the amount of pressure to a firm but comfortable level. Slowly roll the ball up and down along the lat muscle, moving from the armpit area down towards your lower lat, spending about 30 seconds to 1 minute rolling on each side. Focus on any tight or tender spots by holding the ball in place, or perform small circular motions on these areas for deeper muscle release, but avoid causing sharp pain. You can also adjust your body angle to target different parts of the lat muscle or to increase the intensity of the massage. Repeat the same steps on your other side. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.